Do you remember that exact moment where you decided that I am going to become a meditation teacher? And it just felt so right. You're like, meditation has changed my life, and I want to help facilitate that change in the world because, well, let's face it, people need help. They need to know how to calm their stress and sort through all their crazy thoughts and calm their mind and nervous system and connect to themselves. And then you take that huge leap and you give over the money and you learn to become a meditation teacher. ACMM do such a beautiful job of coaching and supporting you. And then you graduate and you're like, yes, I'm going to unleash onto the world. And you create a Facebook group or maybe an ad to drive people there to an event. And maybe you even create a website. And not many people come or book in or show up, or none come or book in or show up, or some but not as many as you would like. My name's Larissa Halls. I am, amongst other things, a meditation teacher, mindful eating teacher, and I have been right there. I created so many amazing events I couldn't wait to share, and I either had no one or like a one person book and show up. And I decided, well, I remembered something that I learned. I used to run health and fitness facilities, that you can't sell a secret. You can't sell a secret. And I thought, well, how do I not be a secret to all the people who need help? And it was through marketing. And I hated marketing. Like, even in my business now, I feel like I spend half my time marketing, but I've actually learned to embrace it. And so I decided to learn how to get in front of the people who need me the most using Facebook. I've had many different mentors. I've crashed and burned a few times, and that's okay. And I'm going to teach you how to do it on August 22nd. ACMM have graciously invited me to come along and teach Facebook marketing with you. So I'm going to take you step by step through Ads Manager. And we're gonna set up a Facebook ad in real time so you can follow along and set up your own ads. I have to admit, when I used to set up Facebook ads, I used to be shaking. It's weird, I know, it sounds crazy. But I used to be shaking because I didn't know what I was doing. I'm like, am I just flushing my money down the drain? And I would get like sweaty and I'd be so stressed and like, is this even gonna work? So as I said, I learned how to do it and I've applied it to my events and my business, and I'm so grateful to say that most of my events fill up. Many of them fill up and there's a waiting list. And even this year, I've had a couple of events that I created because people are messaging me going, when's your next sound meditation? I can't wait. And I had so many people message me. I just created an event and I just messaged all the people who said they wanted to come and they showed up. So this is the beauty of Facebook marketing and getting the right people to come to your events because they want more. They want more of what you have to share. So please, if you have any questions, let one of the team know from ACMM, or otherwise I will see you on Thursday night, the 22nd, to take you step by step how to use Facebook marketing to build a thriving meditation business. All right, I look forward to seeing you then. Bye.